me reviewing and a taste test is our go-to, a Founders all-day IPA. We hooked up with this maybe 3 years ago, and it became one of our favorites at 4% 4.2, whatever the hell they call it. And the hop choice, I think they put it on lime. I might be wrong, but I'll check it again. I know it's not Chinook. I do not like the Chinook hop. You fellas out there, you might like it, but not this guy. This guy, I don't like it. Well, it's probably where I got the smoke flavor. I was getting a...
It's like, it's not right. The Chinook I don't like. Simcoe I like.
We'll do a Simcoe brew too. They work good, yeah. You read Warrior Citra. You read the characteristic of it, and the characteristics of that. What you're brewing, you could put a recipe together really good that fits. Like if you're brewing a rye, I use a T58 yeast because it has a estery flavor of peppery flavor. I think the wife wants a beer. So back on with the review. I got a 3-finger head here. I smell all day IPA. On with the flavor taste. Is that my go-to beer? Yeah. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. I support Founders. Probably too much. I need to brew my own. If they give me the recipe to this, I brew my own. In fact, we're going to try to do a clone on that. How you doing? Hot Tub Beer Reviews. How you doing? Hot Tub Beer Reviews from the worst beer reviewer ever. In the last video, I says, yes, would I buy this beer again? How you doing? I did buy this beer again. And I'm loving it. It is just a good beer from Southern Tier, New Haze. Damn good beer. She comes in at 6%. And we're loving it. I'm loving it. It's a dang good beer, and I would buy it again, and I do buy it again. So yeah, we're going to soak in here, having a couple good beers, damn good beers from Southern Tier, New Haze. Why wouldn't I? Definitely love it. Whatever the hell they call it.